Are you a busy parent juggling endless tasks while trying to ensure your baby gets the healthiest, most nutritious meals? This Bare Baby Food Maker is here to revolutionize your kitchen routine, making homemade baby food effortless, safe, and packed with nutrients. This all-in-one baby food processor, steamer, and puree blender is designed to save time, reduce stress, and deliver fresh, wholesome meals for your little one. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Bare Baby Food Maker is a must-have for new parents, its standout features, and how it solves common pain points in preparing baby food. Get ready to discover why this innovative appliance is trending among parents. Solving the chaos of homemade baby food. Preparing fresh baby food can feel like a daunting task. From steaming vegetables to blending purees, the process often involves multiple appliances, endless cleanup, and precious time you'd rather spend with your baby. The Bare Baby Food Maker eliminates these hassles with its one-step steaming and blending process, allowing you to create nutrient-rich meals without the mess or stress. Whether you're a first-time parent or a seasoned caregiver, this device simplifies meal prep, ensuring your baby enjoys healthy, homemade food tailored to their developmental needs. Say goodbye to juggling pots, pans, and blenders. This all-in-one solution has you covered. Why the Bare Baby Food Maker stands out. The Bare Baby Food Maker isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game-changer for parents who value convenience, safety, and nutrition. Here's a deep dive into its key features and benefits that make it a top choice for one-step cooking and blending. No need to transfer ingredients between devices. The Bare Baby Food Maker automatically steams and blends fruits, vegetables, fish, or meat in a single cycle, preserving nutrients and flavors. Just select a preset from the built-in menu, vegetable, fruit, fish, or meat, and let the machine do the rest. This seamless process saves time and reduces cleanup, making it ideal for busy parents. Smart Touch LCD Panel. The intuitive touchscreen control panel is user-friendly, even when you're multitasking with a baby in one arm. Clear settings and presets make operation a breeze, whether you're a tech-savvy parent or prefer straightforward functionality. Large capacity container. With a 400 milliliters mixing bowl, this baby food maker can prepare a week's worth of meals in one go. Batch cook purees and store them for later, freeing up time for cuddles and playtime with your little one. Self-cleaning function. Cleaning up after meal prep is a breeze with the self-cleaning feature. Simply add water, select the self-clean mode, and the high-speed blades take care of the rest. No scrubbing or soaking required, a lifesaver for parents short on time. Safety-first design. Made from BPA-free, lead-free, and phthalate-free tritan material, the blending cup ensures your baby's food is free from harmful chemicals. The machine also features a safety lock design, only powering on when the lid and cup are securely in place. A water shortage reminder prevents overheating, adding an extra layer of safety. Versatile all-in-one functionality. This isn't just a baby food maker. It's a juicer, blender, meat grinder, and steamer rolled into one. From smooth purees for newborns to chunkier textures for older babies, the Bare Baby Food Maker adapts to your child's changing needs. FDA/UL certified. Rest easy knowing this baby food processor meets rigorous safety standards, giving you peace of mind with every meal you prepare. Real benefits for real parents. The Bare Baby Food Maker delivers tangible benefits that make it a standout choice for parents looking to provide the best for their babies. Nutrient-rich meals. The unique steaming cycle locks in essential vitamins and minerals, ensuring your baby gets the most out of every bite. Unlike store-bought baby food, you control the ingredients, avoiding additives and preservatives. Time-saving efficiency. The one-step process and self-cleaning function cut down on prep and cleanup time, letting you focus on what matters most, your baby. Parents report saving up to an hour per meal prep session compared to traditional methods. Cost-effective solution. Making your own baby food with the Bare Baby Food Maker can save hundreds of dollars compared to buying pre-packaged purees. Plus, the large capacity container means fewer cooking sessions. Who is the Bare Baby Food Maker perfect for? This baby food maker is designed for new parents. If you're navigating the world of baby food for the first time, The preset menu and one-step operation make it easy to create healthy meals without guesswork. Busy moms and dads. The self-cleaning function and quick prep time are perfect for parents juggling work, home, and baby care. Health-conscious caregivers. If you want to avoid processed foods and ensure your baby gets fresh, nutrient-packed meals, this device is your go-to. Gift givers. With its sleek design and practical features, the Bear Baby Food Maker is an ideal gift for baby showers, holidays, or new parents. Its modern white finish and touch LED panel blend seamlessly into any kitchen. Real parent experiences. Parents across the globe are raving about the Bear Baby Food Maker. One mom shared, "This machine has been a lifesaver. I can steam and blend carrots in under 25 minutes, and the self-cleaning feature means I'm not stuck scrubbing dishes." Another parent noted, "The touchscreen is so easy to use, and I love knowing exactly what's in my baby's food. It's worth every penny." While some users mentioned the need to dice ingredients into 1 centimeter pieces for optimal steaming, the consensus is clear. This baby food maker simplifies meal prep without sacrificing quality. Addressing common concerns. No product is without its quirks, but the Bear Baby Food Maker addresses most concerns head-on. Some parents worry about durability, but the sturdy build and FDA/UL certification ensure long-lasting performance. Others question the cleaning process, but the self-cleaning function eliminates the hassle of hand washing, though keeping the appliance dry when not in use is recommended to maintain its condition. For best results, follow the guideline to use 50-250 g of food, 100 g max for meat or fibrous ingredients, to prevent malfunctions. Why choose the Bear Baby Food Maker? In a market flooded with baby food makers, the Bear stands out for its blend of innovation, safety, and convenience. Unlike competitors like the Baby Brezza or NutriBullet, which may require transferring food between steaming and blending, the Bear's one-step process streamlines everything. Its compact design fits easily on countertops or in cabinets, making it ideal for small kitchens. Plus, the thoughtful gift appeal and sleek aesthetic make it a favorite for modern parents. Whether you're whipping up sweet potato puree or a banana blueberry blend, this machine delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. Tips for getting the most out of your Bear Baby Food Maker. Prep ingredients properly. Dice fruits, vegetables, or meat into 1 centimeter pieces for even steaming. Defrost ingredients beforehand for best results. Batch cook and store. Use the large capacity container to make multiple servings and store them in BPA-free containers for up to 72 hours in the fridge or a month in the freezer. Use the self-clean feature. Add water and a drop of detergent for a quick 45-second clean cycle after each use. Experiment with recipes. Try combining fruits and veggies, like apple and spinach, to introduce new flavors to your baby's palate. The verdict: a must-have for every parent. The Bear Baby Food Maker is more than just a kitchen appliance. It's a partner in your parenting journey. Its one-step steaming and blending, self-cleaning function, and safety features make it a top contender for best baby food maker. By simplifying meal prep and ensuring nutrient-rich, homemade food, it empowers parents to give their babies the best start possible. Whether you're a new mom, a busy dad, or looking for the perfect baby shower gift, this machine delivers unmatched value and convenience. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.